Hi folks, today I bring you a panel belonging to a digital satellite receiver brand SAB model Titan FTASC SE. I believe it is possible to find it through the world with different designations. The panel has a 4-digit LED display and use IC driver reference FD650 to control it. Unfortunately, I can't find a complete datasheet for the IC. After a while, it is possible to bring the panel to life and create a small animation. In order to find the address, I used a few lines of the code to scan 1 to 8 bits of the I2C. I only explored the brightness control, sending the numbers for each digit and a small message. But this already makes it possible to build the rest based on these 3 samples. The driver used 2 pins, data and clock, to communicate, and the control process to write digits is internal. We don't need to worry about the sequence. We just send the data to fill in the 4 digits and it performs the action by itself. The code to read the keys is implemented, but I don't apply any function to it. I just identify the keyboard matrix. Take note, as normal, I don't use any library, but of course you can use to make the code more short and clear. The 2 LEDs present in the panel have different common connection pins. One is tied to the GND as common, and the other is tied to the VCC as common. Both have a resistor of the 470 ohms. This means they will be on in the reverse order when I write both to high or low values. As I refer, I don't use any library, but I change or I modify the pins belongs to SDA and SCL. In this case, I move it to the pin 8 and 9. Normal, they are in these both pins here, but of course you can modify it by code. I apply the GND, the Arduino between our breadboard, and use 5 volts DC to power up our panel. The both LEDs present in the panel have one resistor. I already referred it, but anyway, I had 2 more resistors here in the breadboard to avoid any wrong connections, okay?